All right, so today, guys, we're gonna unbox a pair of Jordans that a lot of people really anticipated all 2022. One of the most sought after and one of the probably the biggest grills checked off a lot of people's lists in 2022. We're gonna unbox it, check these things out. And if you guys don't know, I actually doubled up on this right here. I don't even know how I hit on them, but we're gonna talk about it in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. Yo, before we jump into it, I know you guys see the hoodie, man. Something different, you know what I'm saying? I will never quit on my dreams hoodie and that oversized fit straight from Shop NOIR. I'm gonna link it down below. If you guys do not know, that's my clothing brand, along with some other colorways in this oversized hoodie right here. I got available for you guys right now to shop. Support your boys' clothing brands, rebrand from unknown collections. So I hope you guys go click that link down below, go check out the website, because literally everything is live right now, including the bomber jacket you guys see me preview a little bit earlier on my Instagram, man. So make sure you guys go tap in. This is the first drop of the new brand NOIR, so please go help your boy out, man. It's greatly appreciated. Let's jump into today's video. All right, so what's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping in once again. You know, lately we've been coming to you guys with some consistent content, really, you know what I'm saying? Some early reviews, some early looks on feeds, all that good stuff. And man, today this is a shoe that I've been waiting for a little minute now. I don't know what's been going on lately with Nike shipping, but it's been taking a very long time. Today is January the 13th or January 12th. I think it's January 12th. And I'm just now getting a pair of shoes that released last year in December. So we're gonna unbox them, man. But if you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop on the channel. More content coming, more early looks coming. We're going crazy 2022. You guys already know the goal, man. So please leave a huge like on today's video. Go for every single video. It's 500 likes, and we've been crushing it lately thanks to you guys. You know what I'm saying? So smash that like button, subscribe up, go follow all the links down below, and go tap into the clothing brand Shop NOIR. We're going crazy, man. I appreciate all you guys' support. All right, guys, so this release right here was a little bit interesting just because I don't know if you guys remember my story when I unboxed the first pair. I went onto the app, I tried to get this shoe, it says sold out in my size, and I went back like 20-30 minutes later, then I was able to hit on a pair of these joints right here. I know a lot of people probably didn't skip through. I know a lot of people know what I'm talking about if you're still watching, so let's go ahead and tap in. This is definitely a must, a double up, you feel me? I had to double up on these bad boys right here. It's my intention since the beginning of the year to get two pair of these bad boys right here. And if you know the box, you know exactly what these guys are. So let's go ahead and read the official colorway. Air Jordan 2 Retro White, Varsity Red, and Black. And I got these bad boys in a size 9, you feel me? Had to double up. This is one of them ones, you know what I'm saying? You got to double up on like the Fire Red 3s. I doubled up on the Taxi ones. I doubled up on, I think it was one other shoe I doubled up on last year. I think it was the Cherries. And just some of those things you just gotta double up on. We're gonna have to tap into them and check them out, just like the early pair that you guys see right there, Air Jordan 2s. Same thing comes in it, this little booklet right here that breaks down every single thing inside the sneaker. We already did the full review on feet, so I'm not gonna talk too much about the quality and what it comes with, because if you want to check that out, I'm gonna leave a card up here and I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can tap in. And yes sir, we have them, the Air Jordan 2 Chicago double up. This is a must, you feel me? This is a must double up. And I know a lot of people like, yo, why did you double up on them? Was this needed? Did you need to do that? I probably didn't need to double up, but like I said, some of them OG colorways, you just gotta go out there and go extra with, and this is one of those colorways that I had to do that with, man. But check them out. This pair is straight from Nike. This dropped what, December the 30th. I didn't get it till January 12th. I don't know what's been going on with Nike shipping, but it's been really slow lately. I don't know what the hell is going on, but check these beauties out. Air Jordan 2. And a huge mistake that I made on my early review was what I said is that it had Italian leather on the upper. That was like the original pair of Air Jordan 2 Chicago's. He like imported all the materials from Italy or whatever. That's what that stemmed from. So I know a lot of people's like, yo, what is he talking about? I'm talking about the OG pair that first released. But these right here, I'm pretty sure it's like some synthetic leather, whatever they wanted to throw in the upper. Lately they've been switching it up. Some shoes we get good quality, some shoes we get terrible quality. But these right here, I feel like they put a lot of good work in, good craftsmanship, and gave us this shoe that we've been waiting for a very, very long time. And this is not it. You feel me? This is definitely not it. It's a lot of other Air Jordan 2s dropping, like the Lucky Green 2s. We got a pair of Air Jordan 2 Low Unions, which I am super interested in checking out. So hopefully we can hit on those. I think those dropped at the beginning of February, along with the Lucky Green Air Jordan 2s. Right now, down below in the comment section, I want you guys to let me know if you doubled up like me. Was this a must grab? Did you even grab them? Because I know a lot of people hate Air Jordan 2s. But then again, you got to factor in that OG colorway, sneakers that Jordan actually wore. Put a little bit of work in, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of people swayed them to get the shoe just because of that history alone with the Chicago Air Jordan 2s, man. So I'm super excited I was able to double up on a pair. So you already know this one's probably gonna stay on ice for a very, very long time. And I've already actually been wearing the Air Jordan 2 Chicago's with a couple different fits since the drop. So I'm gonna definitely keep putting in some wears of these, keep beating these bad boys up, and I'm always have a fresh pair on ice with the Chicago 2s. I know when I dropped the video talking about people saying that these are better than the lost and found Air Jordan 1s, people was like, yo, you tripping, you crazy. But if you actually go back and read those comments when I said that these are better than the Air Jordan 1 lost and found, you will be surprised. That's what I said. You would definitely be surprised on what people think about this colorway right here, this sneaker. And there was a lot of people back in the statement that I made that really I got from Twitter, people saying that the Air Jordan 2 Chicago's are the sneaker of the year. This is the best release, even better than the Air Jordan 1 lost and founds. And like I said, you guys still probably won't believe me, but please go check out that unboxing I did when I said that these are better than the lost and founds. And then you probably be like, yo, it's no way. But yes way. People think that these are still better than the Air Jordan 1 lost and found. So the only other shoe that I am, you know what I'm saying, wanting to double up on is, of course, the Air Jordan 1 lost and founds. I've been beating my pair up. Like, I swear, I've been wearing them almost every single weekend, the Air Jordan 1 lost and found. So I need to get another pair to throw on ice. It is a restock coming up that a lot of people are already hip about. I dropped a couple videos talking about the restock of the Air Jordan 1 lost and founds. Hopefully we see it sometime soon, and you still have time to enter the raffle for SheCap. I dropped an entire video talking about these restocks that we're about to see on them bad boys. So hopefully your boy get lucky. Had to pay resale for the first pair of lost and found. So hopefully on this second little restock we get, I get a pair for retail. That'd be super, super clutch. And then them bad boys stand on ice just like these Air Jordan 2 Chicago's, man. I appreciate all of the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping in. Another unboxing straight from Nike. They need to expedite that shipping a little bit faster, because I swear, as soon as I got like notification that it was shipping to me, it was like 2-3 days ago. So that means that they've been sitting in the warehouse since the actual drop of December 30th. Nike, you got to fix that, man. I need my shoes a little bit faster. I'm impatient. I'm a very impatient person. So please hit us with a little bit faster shipping. Make sure you guys go check out the clothing brand shop NOIR. I'm gonna link it down below. Every single product is live, and I promise you guys, I got something very, very special coming very soon. So if you do support and you do buy some clothing from my clothing brand, I'm going to be giving away something crazy to one lucky customer. So make sure you guys go tap in, link down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop, and leave a huge like on today's video, especially if you enjoyed today's unboxing. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate all of the support, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.